Discover the ultimate kitchen wizardry with the Cuisinart Custom Food Processor. This extraordinary culinary companion is designed to revolutionize your cooking experience. Picture this, an ingenious appliance boasting an extra-large feed tube, capable of accommodating whole fruits and vegetables effortlessly. Equipped with a 14-cup work bowl, a versatile 4mm stainless steel medium slicing disc, a shredding disc that tackles any ingredient, and a powerful chopping, mixing blade, this food processor is a true culinary magician. But that's not all. With every purchase of the Cuisinart Custom Food Processor, you receive a handy spatula and a recipe book filled with delightful culinary inspirations. Its generous 14-cup capacity makes it ideal for whipping up quick and delicious weeknight meals, as well as creating culinary masterpieces for those special weekend celebrations. What's more, this kitchen marvel is designed for convenience. The dishwasher-safe parts ensure easy cleanup, while the extra-large feed tube and ample work bowl capacity save you precious time. Now you can savor the delectable results of your culinary creations while sharing them with your loved ones. Embrace the art of effortless cooking and elevate your culinary game with the Cuisinart Custom Food Processor. Get ready to embark on a flavorful journey that will leave your taste buds dancing with joy. Superior function. Cuisinart's 720-watt motor for our 14-cup large-capacity food processor can handle almost anything. Make any kind of dip, puree, soup, or sauce including hummus, salsa, guacamole. The possibilities are endless. Must-have features. The 14-cup food processor has an on and off pulse buttons with a Lexan bowl. Extra large feed tube with small and large pusher bowl sleeve assembly. Also a detachable disc stem for easy use and cleanup. Cord length is 36 inches. Included, stainless steel standard slicing disc, medium shredding disc, and stainless steel chopping, mixing blade. Also includes a spatula, instruction manual, and recipe booklet with dishwasher-safe parts. Note to consumer, shredding and slicing blades are not adjustable. Please refer to the manual before setup. Full 5-year warranty. On motor with limited 3-year warranty, refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free.